Hello, today I share Hawaiian massage or Lomi Lomi, a soulful practice that eases tension, enhances energy flow, and fosters deep relaxation. Inspired by Hawaiian healing, it uses flowing strokes to nurture harmony. Wave-like strokes, applied with forearms, boost circulation and release muscle tightness. Gentle stretches open joints, improving flexibility and easing stress-related discomfort. These fluid motions balance energy and promote physical ease. Coconut or kukui oils with soothing properties hydrate the skin and calm the mind, creating a tranquil sensory experience. Their tropical aroma deepens relaxation. Lomi Lomi lowers cortisol, elevates endorphins, and fosters emotional peace, enhancing mental clarity. This massage is perfect for those seeking physical and spiritual renewal. Hawaiian massage rejuvenates body and soul, offering a holistic journey to tranquility and lasting well-being.